Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 Aero wheel covers. First, always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, safe surface, and that the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Before you begin, it's a good idea to have a soft cloth or a non-marring plastic trim removal tool handy. This will help protect your wheels from any scratches during the process. It's a straightforward task, and with these simple preparations, you'll be ready to proceed smoothly. Now, let's focus on how these covers are secured. Each Aero wheel cover is held in place by 5 main retention clips, strategically positioned around the center of the wheel. Take a moment to visually locate these clips. You'll also notice a small cutout or notch, typically near the valve stem. This specific area is designed to give you a starting point for removal, making the process much simpler and more efficient. With your soft cloth or plastic trim tool, begin at the small cutout near the valve stem. This is your leverage point. Gently insert the tool and apply slight outward pressure to release the first retention clip. Once that clip is free, slowly work your way around the circumference of the wheel cover, carefully prying and disengaging each of the remaining 4 clips. Remember, patience and a gentle touch are key to avoiding any damage to your wheel or the cover itself. After all 5 clips are disengaged, the Aero wheel cover should come off easily with a gentle pull straight outwards. Now is a great time to clean both your wheel and the inside of the cover if you wish. When you're ready to reinstall, simply align the cover with the wheel, ensuring the valve stem lines up with its cutout. Then, apply firm, even pressure around the cover until you hear and feel all 5 clips snap securely back into place. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.